Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, and this is a countertop styling, Charbroiler, and grills. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like a 60 inches, and the depths they are almost about like a 27.5 inches. In the overall height, they're meeting about like a 16 inches tall. So the units we can see they're having the grills on top of it, and they come in with the two small holes right here. You can clean all the dust from the surface and they come to these positions. They do having a tray at the bottoms, a big sliding trays. You can clean all the things from here and they can pull it out simply. And from the manufacturers, they give you the 5 individual switches to control the power, and also have a small windows right here to helping you to check the status of the fire. And when we're looking the behind of the units, they come in with gas connections, and this small pipes is about like a 1.5 inches deep for this area. And on the side of the units, we do having the sanitation stickers. I say sanitation stickers, and also having the manufacturer informations and BTUs, everything. And also the units, they come in with the U-shaped burners at the bottoms. So when we remove all the top, we will see the burner at the bottom. And they do having the regulators from the manufacturers. They come in with the extra accessory for these small parts. And for the burning play space, they are about like 20.5 inches deep. And the lengths, they are almost like a 60 inches in total. The thickness for these grills, they are about like 7-8 inches in total. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.